Hi everyone. Today's lesson is finding arithmetic sequence nth row, explicit form of nth row, and recursive formula for nth term for arithmetic sequence, and dealing with arithmetic series. So first question, arithmetic sequence is given below 20, 15, 10, 5. We already dealt with this last lesson. So you will get to use this formula paper for arithmetic sequence right here. You need to know what's the common difference. 15 minus 20 minus 5. 10 minus 15 minus 5. So you know common difference is minus 5. A sub 1 is the first element, which is 20. So formula for explicit rule of arithmetic sequence is right here. A sub n equal to a sub 1 plus difference parenthesis and minus 1. A sub n equal to first term, which is 20. Difference was minus 5, parenthesis and minus 1. You can leave it as it is. Many times you would have to distribute and combine like term. For Alex, I think you need to make it simplify. So 20 is 20 minus 5 distribute. Then 20 and 1 combine like term minus 5 and plus 21. A sub n equal to minus 5 and plus 21 is the final answer. You should try this by yourself. Pause it, try it. The answer is right here. If you do try 27, right there. Okay, now let's deal with the recursive formula for the following arithmetic sequence. So again, if you look at the formula paper, recursive formula is right here. Nth term is previous term plus d, and you gave what a sub first term is. So find the difference. Minus 2 minus minus 5 will be plus 3. 1 minus minus 2 will be plus 3. 4 minus 1 will be plus 3. You do know difference is 3. And the first element, a sub 1, is going to be minus 5. So recursive form right here. So you write a sub n equal to a sub n minus 1. Difference is plus 3. So plus 3, that's big part of it. A sub 1 equal to first element is minus 5. That's it. Recursive formula, final answer. Okay, you try this. Pause it, try it. Here is my work for you. Again, get the difference. Minus 11 minus minus 6 will be minus 5. Minus 16 minus minus 11, you get minus 5. You get the idea. Difference is minus 5. First element is minus 6. So what do you do? Recursive formula. A sub n equal to a sub n minus 1 plus difference. Difference is minus 5. Plus difference. That's same as plus minus 5, which becomes minus 5. First term is minus 6. Done. That is how you write recursive formula. Okay, next topic you need to know is how to know add arithmetic sequence. So let's look at the first style. Minus 9 plus minus 4 plus 1 plus dot dot dot, meaning there are a lot of terms between plus 671. Arithmetic sequence, summation formula, series, arithmetic series, summation formula is this. S of n equal to n times parenthesis, a sub 1 plus a sub n parenthesis all over 2. So you do need to memorize this formula unless it's provided for you. You just follow the formula. You do need to find a sub n, which is provided. The first term is a sub 1. Last term is 671. So applying this formula, you got this portion. First term minus 9 plus last term, which is 671, divided by 2. Everything is ready except you need to calculate this formula. You need to calculate the value of n. You don't know what n value is here. So what does n mean? First term, second term, third term. Value of n is 3 right here. Fourth term n is 4. Fifth term value of n is 5. 6, 7, 8. So 671 is what term is that? Is that 18th term, 21st term? 671 is what term is that? What's the value of n now? So once you figure that out, you can plug it in here and you're all done. You do have to find the value of n. To do so, you're gonna go back to explicit formula of arithmetic sequence. So a sub n equal to a sub 1 plus difference n minus 1. You will have to do this. So a sub n equal to a sub 1, which is minus 9, difference. Look at it. Minus 4 minus 9. You're adding 5 plus 5 plus 5. Difference is 5. So plus 5 n minus 1. A sub n equal to minus 9 plus 5n minus 5. Combining like term here. 5n minus 14. A sub n equal to this. Okay, so what do we do with this? You have to find value of n for 671. 671 is a sub n. So you have to plug it in 671 here. Solve for n. So plus 14 will give you 685 equal to 5n. Divide by 5. N equal to 137. So we found value of n for this formula here. So it should be 137 times this. Yeah, calculate this value. You can just put that to the calculator if you have a calculator available. And that value should become huge number, which is 45,347 will be your answer. Okay, you should try this question. Pause it, try it. Okay, let me go over that question one more time with you. So by looking at the formula of arithmetic series, this is a formula. So first term is 8, again, 8 plus last term is 166. 166 divided by 2. All we need is value of n. So I can plug it in and we are done. Okay, how do you find the value of n? You have to find a sub n. So again, look at the d. We are adding 2. So d is 2. So you get a sub n equal to a sub 1 plus difference n minus 1. So a sub n equal to, first term is 8 plus 2 n minus 1. Distribute 2. Combine like term, 2n plus 6 is a sub n. Then what? You need to find value of n for the last term, which is 166. So 166, plug it in for value of a sub n, and you are solving for n. Minus 6, minus 6, 160 equal to 2n, solve for n, 80 equal to n. Again, we found the value of n, put that into the calculator. You should have gotten the answer as 6960. 6960 as a final answer. Here is another practice question. Pause it, try it, and your answer is supposed to be this. Okay, that leaves us one more style, which is this question. Okay, sigma notation is a fancy way of saying summation. So this is the expression. So I value start with the 1. So 1, plug it in 1. So it'll be 1 times 4 is what? 4 minus 2, which is 2. Plus, now I value is 2. Plug it in 2. 2 times 4 is 8, minus 2 is 6. You're adding it. So next I value is 3, plug in 3. 3 times 4 is 12, minus 2 is going to be 10. You keep adding all the way. We plug it in 1, 2, 3 so far. Now plug it in 4. 4 is 16, minus 2. 16 minus 2 is what? 14. You're adding it. 5, you get the idea. Plug it in 5, get the value. Plug it in 6, get the value. Until when? Until the I value becomes 125. That's what it means. Okay? So how do we use this information? This is a summation, which means you can use a summation formula. So if you look at the summation formula, it's pretty much done deal, almost. So using the summation formula, divide by 2, n value is very provided here. 125 is the value of n. So 125 parenthesis, first term. First term is the 1. When you plug in I equal to 1, 1 times 4 minus 2, we already got it, 2. That was the first term. Plus last term. How do you know last term? It's 125th term is the last term. How do you get that? Why don't you plug in I value as 125 here? So 125, so it'll be what? A sub 125 last term will be plug it in 125 is 4 times 125 minus 2. You just plug it in I value here. So that is what? 4. Is that 500? So 4, 5, 20. Yes, 500 minus 2. If you have a calculator, just plug into the calculator. So it will be what? 498 is the last term. That's what you need here, 498. So we got the first term, last term, n was provided, plug it in. Now you put that into the calculator, then you will get the answer, which will be 31250. Okay, you should pause it and try this one. Let me go over that. So you're going to use the formula n times a sub 1 plus a sub n all over 2. N is provided, 117. A sub 1 is the first term. How do you get first term? Plug it in 1 as a value of k. So minus 5, 1 minus 4, 1 minus, that's a minus 9. plus a sub n. A sub n is last term. Plug it in, 117. Okay, I'm going to use calculator. So minus 5 times 117 minus 4 minus 589. Minus 589. So minus 589 all divided by 2. Put that into the calculator, the whole thing, and you should have gotten 34983. Minus 34983 should be your final answer. Okay, one more practice. Pause it, try it. Your answer should be 33,280. So you should be ready for Alex homework. Please try it, and I will see you for next lesson.